Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. Do you see this? Do you see what that says right there? That says Furls Crochet. Furls makes incredible, beautiful, gorgeous crochet hooks. I just received this box. I have not looked inside. I just opened it for time purposes. But I am so excited to share this with you. I ordered hooks and I ordered one of those yarn bowls. I'm so excited. Can you see that? Let's see. Oh, it's another box. A box within a box. I have like goosebumps. I'm so excited. What is this? What should I open first? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Can you guys see this? What is this? I'll open this first because this looks pretty spectacular. This is the Furls Alpha series. I even forgot what I ordered. This is all most of the Furls items are, oh my god, I'm so excited. Limited edition. So this one, what? I got it in the rosewood. Look at how, oh my god. That is so beautiful. I can't even believe that. It feels so nice. Do you see how gorgeous that is? This is a 5 hook, I believe. I don't know. I can't look at how beautiful that looks, like a cigar. So gorgeous, you guys. It's my birthday month, so I decided to treat myself. I'm gonna leave that open. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You know what? I'm gonna open this. I also got a bowl. I've been wanting one of these forever. Oh. What? I'm gonna cry. This is so ridiculously beautiful. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm silent. Can you see that? Look at how gorgeous that is. Let me adjust this a little bit. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Zoom out. So this is the larger, let me get a skein of yarn here. That's actually pretty big. So you put your yarn in it right here. This is the sugar and cream. Look at how gorgeous. And then you put the yarn through it and it just holds your yarn. This is what everyone needs. Look at how beautiful that is. The craftsmanship is there. It's worth every penny, you guys. Really. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. I'm speechless. Don't even know what to say. Except wow. These are more hooks that I ordered. Oh, wow. So this one is the Candy Shop. This is the acrylic one, I believe. This is a 4mm hook. I can't even believe this. Let's see what this one looks like. What? Do you see how beautiful that is? It goes from a super light yellow to almost like an orange. It's so gorgeous. I can't wait to use these. Again, this is 4mm hook. I believe it comes in different colors for different sizes. And I believe also that this was like the last one. They had no 5s, they had no 6mm. Wow, is all I can say. So this was the Candy Shop one, 4mm. This is the Streamline. What will yours look like? I don't know, but I'm super, super, super excited. Furls Streamline. Let's see this. Oh, I gotta open it from the other end here. I can't even. Here we go. Oh, wow. This is another 4mm hook. This one I actually got to give away. But after looking at it, I don't know. It's going to be really hard to let this go. Look at how gorgeous that is. The colors. It's always marked. It's a G hook 4mm. And it comes with this cute little cardboard that says Furls. You guys, I don't even know. The colors are ridiculous. It's browns and creams. It really looks like when you first pour cream into a cup of coffee. That's what it reminds me of. The colors are ridiculous. Then I got another one. This is the last one. Better for your hands and stitches. Furls Streamline. I remember what this one is. I think this is the candy cane one. Yes. I think it's a candy cane. I'm so excited. What? This is a 6mm hook. I don't know what to say, except that it's beautiful. It feels so nice. I cannot wait to crochet with all of these. This is the candy cane. Look at how beautiful that is. So this is a 6mm J. This one, the Candy Shop, is, this one's so beautiful. The 4mm. Look at that. Gorgeous. This one, the Alpha Series. 5mm. I'm so happy that I can show these to you. Look at how beautiful those are. Wow. And then I have my bowl. Worth every penny, you guys. I mean, I can't even talk. They're so gorgeous and unique. Do you see that? So beautiful. I will be crocheting with these obviously in my videos. Maybe I'll do a little review. But wow. This is a great birthday gift, anniversary gift, Christmas gift. Just to say I love you gift. The packaging is awesome. I can't even talk right now. It's so beautiful. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I hope you enjoy my videos. Oh, how about we do this? Wow. Beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I mean, wow. So beautiful. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Let me zoom in. Wow, you guys. Wow, 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 wow. Beauty. Thanks so much for watching again. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore because I am just in awe. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Bye.